Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mobile friendly joystick, as you can see right here. I'll teach you how to do up and down later in the next video. So first make a new one called control stick, and then go to, like you see this, go to the paintbrush and go in costumes and make one of these, and then you drag it to the middle and do the same with this. Then over here code this, and then this is the code for the other one. You can pause and you can code, and then this, then comes this. After you see this, first make these all variables so you know how to make it. After that you can put this all code in. After that go in sprite 1 and put this code. After you put this code, your everything is done. Thank you, and now it's over. Bye bye.